Have you ever wondered how much data is being captured about you every single day? In the past decade, we have seen an explosion of data, much of it relevant to human health. From mobile phones to surveillance cameras, data is being collected at unprecedented levels. Every step you take, data is being generated and stored. Smartphones alone have revolutionized data collections. Social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube have made sharing data easier than ever. Massive data is being generated in the era of AI. But with this data deluge, how do we make sense of it all? Researchers are now tasked with assembling these data shards into cohesive pictures. Leverage data from multiple data sources is immense. Methodologies are key to understand complex public business problems. Infrastructure is crucial for organizing and analyzing the vast amount of data. By using data tools, infrastructure can efficiently leverage the data explosion. Models can synthesize existing data and inform policy decisions. Thus, empowering your ability of navigating and interpreting data is essential in the 21st century. Developing data skills is future investment and transform business or industry. Therefore, my channel will address questions related to 1. Responsible data practices, algorithms, and AI. 2. Collaborative research. 3. Providing support for both students and professionals. Target audiences are 1. Students, both master and PhD, who need to handle data. 2. Who use statistics or build models in their research. 3. Analysts who want to start working with big data, applying modeling and creating meaningful visualizations. 4. Professionals wanting to learn more about tools and biostatistics. Goals of my channel are: provide the necessary skills to handle data. Raise awareness of strengths and weaknesses of models. Cover the important topics often overlooked by researchers. Advance data literacy. Talk about problems that seniors encountered in their workflows. Teach how to avoid simple mistakes in interpretation of analytical results. Remember, data is the language of tomorrow. Speak it fluently. Make your data meaningful.